Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Hooke's bait skin in Fish It game on Roblox Pirate Cove update. Okay, let's get into it guys. I'm going to show you how the Hooke's bait skin looks like. Wait, let me go to the baits. Okay, and this is the Hooke's bait. I'm going to equip the skin. Okay, and if you want to get this bait guys, you need to find a chest on the Pirate Cove Island, and the chest will spawn randomly, and luckily I can find the pirate chest right here. And for your information, the location will be different from one server to another server. And now let's open it. Oh, I didn't get the Hooke's bait, but I've already got it guys. And this was the moment when I got the Hooke's bait skin. Okay guys, and that's how you can get the Hooke's bait in Fish It game on Roblox Pirate Cove update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.